Come on, guys, now, Wednesday early morning, few days and Friday by the time guys is seeing each other, and as you can tell, it is not a cloudy, or winter, so it's like spring tea, don't be as, but this is calm for the, storms too, so, yeah, that's so spicy, and I'm making a first, kick for the was missing using the, tribute in the, kiss now, yes. But yeah, so, yeah, so, just for now, give me now was the yes, so, oh, yes. This is so hopefully, Friday, hoping, oh, let probably what we yes. Maybe the specialty is that as now, back to school is curious. Oh, back to work coming. If the school, if the school, if this is coffee study, all the additional, oh no, yes, but yeah, but maybe if funny, nonetheless, right, so yeah, so wait, yeah, so just making the kick up, so we can, so yes. Oh yeah. And that's just one of the yes. Oh yeah. And we'll talk to you guys Leon right? We guys now Leon in the dinner is now a little after 3 p.m. now, yeah, and and as you can tell, it is snowing out now. Oh yeah, yep. And so people started early this morning when it wasn't started when I got up when it started think about the mid morning it started a little bit to the something started fully probably around the mid morning. Oh yeah, so man, and this is the first April 1st of snow the April Fool's Day snowstorm in 9 years. But yeah, so but yeah. But anyway, it's turn on back in my room now. Yeah, and yeah. So and it did get to snow the off school though. But yeah, so so man, so that was good. But last I still worked the team which was good. Yeah, and T was busy. The people was running around the Johnny area. But yeah, yep, but yeah, and but yes. So pretty much what we did was we done perfect stuff around the city, and what else? And we had to stop in Toby to yeah, and yeah, and we also had to stop in Mount Pearl, which was good. But yeah, but on that we had quite a few stops for delivery, which good. But yeah. And even some customers took to more product or lot at least quite a few customers since we got good Friday coming up in our Friday when I'm filming this. Oh yeah, but yeah, or a couple days from now when I'm filming this. Yes, but yeah, but but by the time you guys see this, it'll already be Good Friday. But yeah, so but yeah. But either way, I hope everyone does enjoy the each love week though, yeah, and I hope everyone gets get or everyone has good feed of fish and chips as well though, yeah. But those are well though, yeah. But of course, the good news is I will be booking again on good Friday with good, yeah. But as for oh Hamagenda, probably again my date will be all get an Uber with the probably around 7. Oh yeah, and then I'll pretty much do the deliveries from there. Oh yeah, yep. Yeah, that'll be since I'll be off school that area, but yeah. And I'll also be off school on Easter Monday which is on April the 6th. Oh yeah. It's very nice. Because when I'm looking that on this one, not it's still up there, blah mono till Leon weekend. But yeah. So man, but yeah. But on that it was a good day at work though. But yeah. Yes, but of course, yeah. But also, we were supposed to go to the to a business that's owned by my home it's a home base for the school. But yeah, but that got cancelled. I should have canceled this though. But yeah, but next time we will go there beyond April the 15th. So yeah, so real of April. So yeah, so man. So that'll be done first full week of school. And it'll be up for 3 days this weekend and 4 days next week. But yeah, or how many 3 day work week this school week this weekend and a 4 day next week I say. But yes, so but yeah. So yeah, then of course the next long weekend after Easter be it be the meet for weekend I just trying to see if I can get on calendar. Okay, here we go. But yeah, so it'll be May 18th. Be Victoria Day. But yeah, that'll be next 4 day weekend on it. Yeah, and then and then after it'll be smooth sailing until the last day of school for the for good. Oh yeah. And then once I finish school for good I'll be going back to work full time. Oh yeah, working every day 12 months of the summer and then working part time in the when we didn't start to slow down. But yeah, but as for what I do on my off time whether it be on weekends or don't week I'll probably I'll be really keep exercise and like back in the market and of course and I'll also I'll keep on gaming as usual. But yeah, so man, yep. And I'll still be in the game group as well as well. But yeah, so man, that's every Wednesday which is all good though. Yes, but yeah, so man. But yes, but speaking of game group, I obviously did get an email from the game group coordinator just a few weeks ago, and he said the game group is still going ahead even though the storm but yeah, but either way the hopefully the vote will be clear by this evening and the show will be slowed up and then there'll be yeah. But we'll see. But all the best is that the game group will be going ahead as usual, and I'll be able to see the game group count and help them have a chat with them a few games with them. Yes, so but the review games or board games or just having a great old chat. Oh, that's what it's all about. But yeah, yeah. But honestly, I'm really hoping to tweak new faces in this program and hopefully get a group in this in the game group as well. But yes, yeah. But oh well, but yeah, because like I was saying, and yesterday oh, life pretty lonely now. No friends, any girlfriend. If left over, yeah. But we hoping that they change very soon though. But yeah, so but yeah, but yeah, so but it will be a fun rest of the day or night though. Not less though. But yes, so man, but yeah, yep. But anyway, so yeah. So you can tell I'm back my desk now. Yep, and I'm giving myself set to work on yesterday's vlog. Vlog number 1199. Yeah, of course this one film now is close to 1200 vlog. But yeah, so I've been making 1200 vlogs since I began to do vlogs back almost 11 years ago. So yeah. So but I do remember when I first met the child back in 2015. I remember I was big from class on the day before we started the meet for weekend. Yeah, and I pretty much got on the computer in the special services room and I got on YouTube and I decided then that it was time to create a YouTube a new YouTube account. But yeah, yes, and of course and then the teachers found out afterwards, and then the told the authorities, the school authorities about and or restriction the I guess the school board about and then they quickly took down the account right away. Just they thought I'll be do videos in school, but yeah, but last I never and the teachers and school administration or whatever thought I wasn't that smart back then, but but oh well, but yeah, but yeah, but then when I got home, I got first vlog we recorded oh the times before I have known that my account was the delete. So what I had to do then was I had to go back a bit here and I had to recreate the account and the email. But yeah, but then and then the rest is history. I posted to first vlog and I posted quite a few one teachers transformation 2015 and yeah, and then the then back in the end of 2015, I started to put more content in the vlogs. Started the rest of 2016 too. Yeah, and then back in 2020, I became a poet blog, making blog showing the vision of 2020 and the early part of COVID and beyond that. Oh yeah, and I've been doing vlogs every day off and on throughout the rest of 2022 and 2023 and beyond it. But yeah, yep. And I started out 2026 and I'm still doing vlogs. Oh yeah. So man, but yeah. but do enjoy making vlogs, yeah. And I will do vlogs try to make my lifetime whether and even an old fogey yeah. Well, I mean, in my 80s or 90s, I be vlogging though, but yes, so man. Baby, so yeah. So that's all, but yeah. I mean, and I'm talking now for 13 just for 40 minutes now, and my berries nearly dead already. But yeah, so but try to berry on my GoPro, yeah, and I will talk to you guys about on the two from gaming group trade. Oh yeah, and that was only what such I'll be doing in this vlog session. Didn't take you guys along for the since I'm still a little coffee and been my GoPro and my camcorder to work, but by the summer I'll be my GoPro to work and I'll also hopefully have I'm not for the GoPro to set up in the van as well to show you guys about the situation and even beyond where we start living out to Hollywood again. But yeah, so man, but yeah, so man. But anyway, so that's all this is. So we'll talk to you guys this evening. Yes. Oh, you guys, it is now later on in the day now. Sorry now 25 minutes at the 6 now, and we are on the way back to the city now for gaming group. Yeah. Yeah, as you can tell, the roads are fairly clear and less snow covered. Yeah. Yup. Yep. And our street was fairly plowed an hour or so ago, which was all good. So yeah. And hopefully this was last Mrs. Snowstorm of the winter season. Oh yeah. But there is signs of another one coming into the weekend, but hopefully it won't be too much snow to end on to this snowstorm that we just said. So yeah, so man. But yeah, but honestly, I'm already done with it now. It's getting into April already. Oh yeah, and I just want to be summer again so I can get back biking and enjoy the warmth, the 20 degrees and to the 20 plus degrees days of this. Oh yeah, but yeah, see, it is pretty special here, and we got a decent crowd in the West Green, yeah. So way on, but yeah. So yeah, and we even got the decent crowd in the Shelby's as well. Not much people older than usual. Just as slow, but yeah. But oh well. So yeah. Okay, so we're just moving on to the Halloween Mall now. It is 6:30 now. Oh yeah. And yes, that's my mom's singing. She's pretty good singer too. Yup. And she's better than TV singing too. Oh yeah. A lot better. But yeah. But anyway, we got lots of snow on the on the mini here still. But at least it is clearer than it was earlier today. Oh yeah. And we still got a decent amount of traffic over here though. Oh yeah. Yeah, but a lot of snow around still. Yeah, but it's good for snowmobile enthusiasts to use these canoes for a few of these with the season. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And especially NTV and RCM vehicle. Oh yeah. Probably all the way to do is we pulled in. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. We just about to pass the top of road exit now, West India. Yeah, and believe it or not, the last time we had an Islam week in early March, sorry, early April, that was back in 2015 when we had Easter Sunday on April 5th and yeah, and Easter Monday on the 6th. Oh yeah. And so that weekend me and the family went into Amherst East for the late, and I still got a couple views on my main television video to 709 of the rain we had in the wind. Oh yeah, liquid wind that is. Oh yeah. Yup. So yeah, then the Easter Monday me and Dad drove out to Central Newfoundland for the promenades. Oh yeah, and that was a fun trip too. And those views are also on my main YouTube channel as well. Oh yeah. Yes, so we pretty much passed a couple more nights. So we'll talk to you guys when we're already back home from the game group. Yes. Alright guys, we're on the road again and it's now 8:18 now, yeah, and we're now on the way home now from game group. Oh yeah, and overall it was fun game group overall. Yeah, not even was it because of the snow though, but yeah, yeah, so man, but yes, so we are on the Club Drive now. So please field drive. Yep. And we are pretty much about to pass the Avalon Mall area now. Yes.
You mean the snowbank?
Yes, and the snowbank too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And there we got the winners entries of the Avalon Mall. Yes. Oh yeah. You've got a few people at the mall still. Oh yeah. Yep. And now people go down to Pinmount Road from the Parkway. Oh yeah. Yeah, what's the late turn is green of course. Yep. Here we go. Just let that turn green. Oh yeah. Yep, it is kind of quick. It's kind of dark very quickly. Basically, even though we only in the beginning of April, though, as well. Oh yeah. It's but the this month on April 22nd, we will have a first 8 p.m. service and our first 5 service before 6 a.m. Oh yeah. So way on. So this is our second perfectly that we deal with now. So yeah. So I feel like this be my final motive now. So we'll talk to you guys around back home at the very end of the vlog. Okay, bye. Okay guys, now Leoning the name now, yeah, and it's because I'm a bit saying that now within okay, so yeah. So overall it was fun with the not this pretty reaction though, but yeah. So now just we to report though, but yeah. So I am about to head up to bed and good rest of such a weird hard it's been a good long day we working with the team group though, but yeah. But let's we'll be back to school for which be good, but yeah. So man, so yes, so with Debbie said there's really not much to talk about, so I hope everyone does enjoy the rest of the work week though, yeah, and we'll talk to you guys basically early tomorrow morning, so over and out.